This is Plateau English Online.
This is Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Welcome to Plateau English Online.
Barley flour, barley flour. Butter, butter. Cheese, cheese. Sugar, sugar. Tea, tea. Pour, pour. Handful, handful. Mix, mix. Hi Vincent, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. You?
Fine, thanks.
So, what should we do today?
How about we make tsampa? Can you show me how to make tsampa?
Sure. First we need these things. Barley flour,
Barley flour.
tea,
Tea.
cheese and sugar,
Cheese and sugar.
butter,
Butter.
and also we need bowls.
So what do I do first?
First you put the butter in the bowl.
How much butter should I put in?
Just a piece.
Okay, what do I do next?
Next you put sugar and cheese.
How much cheese and sugar should I put in?
Just a little.
Like this?
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah.
Okay. Then what's next?
Next you pour some tea in the bowl.
How much tea should I pour?
Okay, like this.
Okay, thanks. What do I do next?
Next, put in some barley flour.
How much barley flour should I put in?
Just 2 or 3 handful.
Like this?
Yes. Now you should mix it.
How should I mix it?
Start with your finger, like this.
That looks difficult.
Okay, let me do it.
Thanks.
Okay, now tsampa is finished. Do you want to try it?
Yes, please.
Okay, here you go.
That's delicious. Thanks for your help.
No problem.